Hi, this is Nadia from LifterLMS. So in this video, I will discuss about LifterLMS manual payment option. Here you can see I have an access plan, but I don't have any payment method in my website yet. So LifterLMS manual payment helps to accept the offline payments. It can be via check, via bank transfer, or any kind of offline payments you want. So this LifterLMS manual payment feature is available on our core version. For example, if you don't want to purchase the LifterLMS Stripe or PayPal, you want to use LifterLMS free version and want to sell your courses, that time you can use LifterLMS manual payment as well. So this will helps to accept the payment offline. So in this video, we will discuss about the payment manual payment option. So let's get started. So now I will show you that how you can set up the manual payment. So as you can see, I don't have any payment gateway in my website. So first of all, for adding the manual payment option or any payment option, we have to visit LifterLMS and settings. After that, we have to visit checkout. So if we scroll a bit, you can see here I have the manual payment gateway and I also have the Stripe and PayPal, but those are not available on the core version. So I will not show you that. So I will just click on this manual payment option for setup. From here, you have to just enable the manual payment option. You have to just click on here, and then you can add a title, then you can add descriptions that about your payment. You can see here we have pay manually via check. You can write anything here. So also we have this payment instructions. So basically this is the important portion where you will send the details, where you will write the details about your bank or check, or how you want to accept the payments. You can write the method of the payment instructions here. So I will write here some random, maybe I want bank transfer. So I'm adding some instructions here that how they will pay me. You can add the bank details or anything like that. The user will see this after the checkout. So I want the bank transfer, so I'm adding up. Maybe it can be a bank number, bank name, or other bank details. So here I will also say that pay manually via bank transfer, or it depends on how we want to accept the payments. Basically, you have to add all the details here on this payment instructions options. So now I have to click on Save Changes, and now people can buy my course via manual payment. So now I will show you the public view of this course now. So first of all, I will copy it and I will open it on the new incognito window. This is my course. So now if I enroll as a student, I will enroll in this portion. So here you can see we have the checkout page, and here I have the manual payment option. So first of all, we have to fill up the billing information. Just adding some random email address for testing purpose. Password, first name and last name. Here we can see the order summary, the price. You can add coupon as well. So here is the payment details. The pay manually via bank transfer. So I have to click on buy now. So as a student, I can see the payment is due now. So you can see I have access to the student dashboard, but I still don't have access to the course. You can see it's a pending payment option, and here's the payment instructions. So after clicking on buy, student will be able to see the payment instructions that how they have to pay. And now with this information, they have to pay you first, and you can see the payment status is pending payment now. So with this payment instructions, student have to pay you, and when they will pay you, you will when you will know that you have received the money, that time you have to accept the payment from the backend. When you will accept that from backend, they will automatically enroll in this course. Otherwise, they will not be able to enroll here. So first of all, they have to pay, and you have to accept that payment from the backend version. So here you can see the status is pending payment. Now I'll show you that how you can accept that as an admin from the backend. So when you will know that I have received the money from student and now I have to enroll them. So first of all, we have to visit orders. And here you can see the pending payment orders. So here is the manual option here. So we have to click on edit to accept the payment, or you can say to record the payment. So here is my course price is $500. And now as it's a manual payment, we have to record the payment first to enroll the user. So here is the record option. We have to click on here, and we have to add the payment price and others instructions, like you can add the transactions number and others. Those are optional. So now it's okay. So when I will save that, you will see the update order status is complete and the student is enrolled now. So now if I visit my student dashboard and refresh it, see, now I'm enrolled, course enrollment success. So when the admin will accept that from the backend, that time I'll automatically enroll in this course. So this is how the manual payment work. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Thanks for watching.